Hello everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast JC Wings Aero Spacelines Airbus Skylink aircraft. This model is produced by JC Wings in 2023 and carries the Airbus 1990's era rainbow stripe livery. The aircraft was powered by Four Allison 501-D22 turboprop engines, producing up to 4,600 shaft horsepower or 3,500 kilowatts each. Each aircraft has a cargo capacity of 54,500 pounds or 24,721 kilograms, in dimensions that were unheard of at that time. This aircraft has a typical cruise speed of 220 knots or 410 kilometers an hour, with a range of about 1,700 nautical miles or just under 3,200 kilometers. As a note for collectors, JC Wings has previously produced this model on both 1/200 and 1/400 scales. Also, Herpa Wings has produced this aircraft with various liveries in both 1/500 and 1/200 scales. Finally, Sky 400 produced this model as well in 1/400 and 1/500 scales. Originally, this Super Guppy's first flight was on 24 August 1970 with a registration of November 211 AS. A year later, the aircraft was delivered to the brand new Airbus company for use to carry large fuselage and wing sections between different manufacturers to the final production facility in France. After 25 years of service with Airbus, this aircraft was replaced by 6 A300-based Beluga aircraft. After its retirement, this aircraft spent several years outside Bruntingthorpe Airport in the United Kingdom. In 2020, the aircraft was mostly broken apart, with just the forward cockpit section being preserved at the South Wales Aviation Museum at the St. Athan Airport in Wales. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers. So if you don't want to miss one of these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you and good day.